Hello, beautiful students. I am Mrs. Phyllis, coming to you with a version of the monkey song. Before we get into it, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This version of the monkey song is attributed to Mr. Ben. He is a colleague of mine, and I love it. So if you remember, the old version of the monkey song is when we go up and down the string, just using our first, second, and third fingers. Well, this one, we're going up the string, rocking our bow to the E string. And we do this on all of the strings. So the pattern will be 0, 1, 2, 3, open E on each of the string. But when we play the open E, we do something very special. We take our bow and place it behind the bridge. Listen to how it sounds. Isn't that the coolest thing? So I will demonstrate this exercise for you. Before I do so, there are 2 points, 2 technical points I want to bring out that we find in this exercise. The first one is our left hand. When we place those fingers down, one at a time, they stay down. Sometimes I'll see students do this. Oh my goodness, that's a no-no. We want to play and keep the finger down as we travel up the instrument. And going up the instrument is going toward the bridge. Notice the sound gets higher as we go toward the bridge. So this is called going up or stepping up. Notice the sound gets higher. So when we go up, that means we get higher. When we do that, our fingers stay down. And the second thing is the bow. In this exercise, we are rocking the bow from one string to the other, rocking and rolling actually. So first we're rocking the arm. Then that simply means we're raising our arm from A to D to G. And so you'll notice the height of my arm on the G string versus the D string. It's a little lower. So if I go backward, I'm rolling the bow. So I like to call this rock and roll. Rock it over. I raise my arm. Roll it back. I lower my arm. Okay? Another phrase for this is string crossing. So you may hear some teachers refer to this as a string crossing. I cross it to the A string. Crossing to the D string. Crossing to the G string. Crossing way back to the E string. String crossing or rock and roll. Okay? Now, let's get into it. This is Mr. Ben's version of the monkey song. Okay, I'm starting on A. D string, ready, go. G string, ready, go. E string, ready, play. And that's it. So what did you notice that's different about this version? If you said after you step up on the string, after you play the finger pattern 0, 1, 2, 3, we cross to the E string. So we do that pattern on each string and then we cross to the E string. And then the last thing is that we lift the bow and put it behind the bridge to play. And that's it. One other thing I want to remind you of, when you are placing your left hand fingers that your wrist is straight, your hand is straight. There should be no pizza hand, no choking of the neck. Okay, so when you put your fingers down, this stays still. Keep this hand straight. And that's it. So let me know in the comments how you liked this version, and I will catch you in the next video.